I'm going to show you how to fit your KwikNewel halfway up your stairs if you want. The newel post has the same cutout as it always has, but we need to adapt it for the centre of the stairs. So this is designed to sit at the bottom like that. We need to adapt it so it can sit in the middle. Now, the difference between these two is I've cut right the way through. So that can sit straight over the string. I've got a cutout, I've cleaned the cutout. So basically, one leg sits over the string this side, this leg goes all the way down. So that basically sits over like that, and this one sits over like that. What you do want to make sure is the height from the top of the string to the top of the stub newel is the same. So when you put the extensions in and your spindles are in, it all matches.